Hi guys, I'm Amjit. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm giving a review of Tata Sky and Amazon Fire TV Stick. This product I'm using for 1 month on my TV. Today I will show you the review of this. Now I'll show you the features of this. See, here Fire TV Stick is written. Friends, we can see the specifications of the box. Alaska 1080p, Dolby Audio, quad-core Wi-Fi, and the front look of the box is like this: Fire TV stick with Alaska voice remote. Tata Sky Bing also there. One thing I should tell to you, Tata Sky Bing also will be there because Tata Sky collaborated with Amazon Prime and made this product. Here we can see the picture of the remote and Fire TV stick. Here Amazon branding is there. Here Tata Sky edition is there. I already told you the features, and in this we will get Amazon Fire TV stick 2nd generation, Alaska voice remote 2nd generation, and two AAA batteries, power adapter, USB cable, HDMI extended cable. In this we should need high speed internet, otherwise it will not work, friends. And we should have one HDMI port to our TV, then only it will work. And back we have some points. See friends, and here the picture of the remote is there, and here the MRP is there. The cost of the object is 3,999. If you want to buy only Amazon Fire TV stick 2020 edition, you want to buy in Amazon. If you want Tata Sky Bing also, contact Tata Sky dealer and ask him to give this. Okay friends, now I will show this on my TV. Oops, one thing I forgot to tell you friends, I will show you the remote of this object. Here the power button, here the microphone is there, and here Alaska button, here settings and middle button also there, here back button, here menu button, home button, backward, forward, stop, volume up and down buttons, and mute. Friends, I opened my TV. Now I will show you the review of this. See, the Amazon Fire TV stick. To my HDMI port, I fixed it friends. You can see that. This one. This one friends. Now I'm showing the review of this friends. This is the home button. This is the home. See friends, this is the home. In this, search button is there, home button is there, movies are there, TV shows are there, apps, settings. First we will discuss with search friends. If you want anything, you can type here friends. Otherwise, you press Alaska button and you want YouTube, then say open YouTube. See friends, YouTube came. Like that you can open with typing or with Alaska friends. Now I will show you home. In home, here recent searches will be there friends. Recently I opened YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, that like opened, and so many apps are there friends. You want to see means see. Tata Sky Bing is there, Netflix is there, Disney Hotstar, G5, YouTube, like that so many apps are there, and games also there friends. If you want to play games, you can play games friends. Now I am showing about Tata Sky Bing friends. Who are buying Tata Sky Bing combined with Amazon Fire TV stick like me, Now I am opening Tata Sky Bing friends. How it will be, see friends. Tata Sky Bing came. In this, search button will be there friends, and home, movies, TV shows, last 7 days, kids, regional apps, watch list also there friends. If you want any TV serial, you can go to TV shows and you can watch friends. Last 7 days TV shows will also come friends, and kids channel will come, and movies also there friends. If you want anything you can see friends, and apps are there, watch list also there friends. And now I'm exiting this and I will show another apps friends. In this, Netflix there, Disney Hotstar, G5, YouTube, Woot, like this more than 50 apps are there friends. And these are recently I saw these many movies friends. We, Penguin, Jurassic Park, like that I saw these many movies friends. So many movies are there friends. If you want to go to movies, go, and you will see only movies friends here. English, Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, any language you can see friends. Suppose I am opening Jurassic Park. See. Wait friends. If you want how to open, I will tell you friends. Press this button and you will come Jurassic Park and press select button. And it will come like this friends. Now click select button. It came like this friends. See, I will increase volume. Like this it will come friends. Again go back. I am showing the review sample. I am showing friends. See friends, home completed, movies completed. Now TV shows are there. If you want any TV shows you can see, and apps also there friends. These many apps are there friends. Tata Sky, Bing, Netflix, and Discovery Plus, Mix Player, YouTube, Jio Cinema also there friends. These many apps are there friends. More than 100 apps will be there friends. See, like this so many apps are there friends. Now I'm going back to home and I'm going to settings friends. Notifications. Oh, I got one notification. Oh, I downloaded one game friends. That notification I got. After completing this video I will update that. And network, if you have high speed network only it will work friends. I have Wi-Fi in my home, that's why it is working friends. In this, see, I connected to my Wi-Fi. These are available Wi-Fi's in our colony friends. And display and sound, screen saver is there, display, audio, enable, display mirroring. In this, screen mirroring also there friends, Chromecast also there friends. Applications and equipment control, remote and Bluetooth, Alaska is there friends. And preferences, my Fire TV, I am opening that. About Fire TV stick. See friends, device name, storage capacity 5.94 GB available friends out of 2.14 GB, and software version this friends. And development options, legal, sleep, restart also there friends, and accessibility also there. Help also there, my account also there friends. In this we can play any games also friends. Now I will show you how by using Alaska we can open games friends. Now I am opening, see, a game.
Here's YouTube.
Games.
Getting that from YouTube.
See friends, games opened. One misunderstanding. I told YouTube. That's why it opened YouTube. Now I'm told games. That's why it opened. Hill climbing racing, highway racer 3D, hill run 3D, asphalt 8, Hungry Shark Evolution. So many games are there, friends. More than 45 games are there, friends. See, so many games are there. Still, these many games are there, friends. You want any game, you can play, friends. For sample, I am playing one game, friends. Hill climbing racing. See how the video and audio quality will be there. So nice, friends. See. For select, we should press this button, friends. See. For moving forward, we should press this button. See. If you are not interested, you can go to home, friends. Press this mic button and tell go to home. See, friends, recently I played hill climbing racing. That's why it is there. And YouTube, Jurassic Park, Bing, Netflix also there, friends. So many English movies will be there. And these are the overall review of the Amazon Prime Fire Stick. This is very nice, friends. This cost 4,000 in Amazon. I liked this product, friends. One thing I forgot, we can play with Alaska, friends. See, mic button is there now. Press that and ask what is the time. Alaska, what is the time?
In Guruvara, it's 3:34 p.m.
See, friends, it came. Alaska, tell me a joke.
What is it? Mommy's favorite music? Rap.
Go to home. Alaska, what is latest cricket updates?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Latest cricket updates.
Here's the cricket news. Shah Rukh Khan's Trinbago Knight Riders have won their fourth CPL title, reports Editor G. Big Bash League franchise Adelaide Strikers has announced the signing of
Alaska, stop. See, friends, like this we can play and we can tell good night also. Good night, Alaska.
Hope you had a good day. Now think of your favorite memory of the day and go to sleep with a smile.
See, friends, it will come like this. An owl picture. Go to home. Latest news. We can watch news also,
Here's
friends.
your news.
See, friends, it will come. Wait. Latest news. See, friends, India
Here's your
today.
news. From India Today.
See, friends, it came.
BJP protests after bail for 6 Sena workers.
Go to home. See, friends, this is the overall review of my Amazon Fire TV stick. Please share, like and subscribe, friends. This is the first video of my channel. Please subscribe and click bell icon to get latest updates. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.